Hi guys, today I will teach you how to make a bubble stone for your fish aquarium at home with zero investment. First, take 2 plastic bottle caps. Then you need to take a syringe needle. Use the needle to make a hole in one of the caps. Next, use a soldering iron to make a hole in the second cap. After making the hole, take a juice straw and cut it in this way. After making the hole, fix the straw piece in it and apply glue properly. Then use glue to attach both caps together. After that, take a rubber suction cup and attach it to the bubble stone using glue. Now connect the bubble stone to an air pump and place the bubble stone in the aquarium. Fill it with water and turn on the pump. Your beautiful air bubble stone is now ready, providing excellent oxygen to the aquarium without spending any money. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share the channel.